we've got it on,
Sounds good, Vanessa. So I'm gonna come over here and we'll start. How about we, like every other hinge area?
yeah, just go around the table and in and around the table and
Okay,
in.
so in between. Let's go.
Go.
So you'd be coming forward?
No. I don't want you to go like this.
Alright.
I want you to go like this.
Gotcha. Good, buddy.
Let's walk them so that the dogs are together. So if you're, don't keep them on your left. Keep them on the front side of the
Okay,
body.
gotcha. Good,
I,
bud.
I,
Nice.
I want them to walk up to the
Good,
fence.
bud. Okay, so Vanessa, you have them on your right side all the
On the
time.
fence side of your body so that she can go up to the fence.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Good, bud. This way. Nice, pal.
Okay, let them sniff each other to the fence.
Good.
Kenzie doesn't want to, that's okay. Okay, do they both target?
He's okay at it. He's not that great at it, but he will.
Okay. Try to target him to here and her to here.
Let's go, bud.
Let's go.
Good job,
Girl.
bud. Touch.
Vanessa, I'd like him them to be facing each other if you can.
Like face to face.
I would like them to be going like this, not like this. I want the targeting to be with the other dog in front. So if you target to here, come from this side. Just let him walk around the fence.
And do you want me to?
No, I want you to let them walk around it, both of them walk around the fence. Give them some leash. Just hold the handle. Just hold the handle, give her the whole length of the leash. Make sure you've got the leash that if you decide you need to pull it all the way, you can. Can you bring her up to the fence?
Do I prompt the emotion or is all on?
Just, Vanessa, just hold the handle. Go closer.